Vlogmas Day 10. Virginia has turned into the tundra. It's snowing and it's disgusting and I hate it.
Hey! Denicia, let's go!
Hang on the mistletoe, I'm gonna get to know you better.
Hey! Come on, oh!
This
Let's go!
And as we trim the tree, how much fun it's gonna be.
So, what time is it? It's 2:08 p.m. and I logged into Instagram because I try to stay off social media all day because it either makes me sad or it makes me angry because people are always doing fuck shit. And of course, the first thing I see is Joe Budden, whom I love, and his dog died, who he's had for fucking ever. Like, I remember back when him and Tahiri were on Joe Budden TV doing videos, and like, just that dog has been a part of his life for so long. And I'm in here crying, literally. And it just, not even the dog, but just, I don't know, I'm on Zoom with myself. Like, I have become such a fucking cry baby. Like, head is itching terribly. I'm getting too close to 30. I don't know what's going on in my body. Everything is changing. Like, being a woman is so crazy. Like, I've always been a crybaby. Like, I'll cry at Titanic. I'll cry at movies. I cry when people die. I cry at sad things. But I'm like, I'm not easily moved. Like, bullshit don't move me. Like, you can't just be coming around me. But if I see someone cry, I'm also a sympathy crier. Like, if you're crying and I care about you, I'll probably cry. Because, yeah, that's just the kid. But this dog time has my whole soul hurt. And just, I'm torn up, B. Like, what do you do? What do you effing do? I just wanted to come on and vlog that. Like, I'm sick about that dog. What up, guys?
DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tax.
Hey guys, what up? I'm home. Headed in the house. I just got off work. Just getting home. Look at that nasty effing pimple. Ugh, I hate being a girl. Like, I can't wait till my penis grows in. Like, I'm sick of this shit. But I'm about to go in here. This dog's about to act a fool, so I do have to go back out. But this vlog is gonna be probably like 8 minutes today, 10 minutes, because I haven't done anything. I do need to run some errands. See, he already acting crazy. I do need to run some errands because I told my friend I would make him a seafood boil. Which is so hard. Being vegan and making seafood, I'd be ready to like eat some scrimps. Like, let me eat some of these scrimps. Excuse me. Rude. When I'm talking. I broke all of these things. So if you see these in the back of the can't even point to it. If you see these in the back of the video and y'all be like, y'all ghetto, I broke all of them the other day. I had the music booming. I had all of my Amazon things on, blaring music. Didn't realize that they were downstairs. And literally, I shook 4 of the 8. Shook them right on down and broke. But you guys, I'll be back. I'll probably see you when I go to Martin's grocery shopping for some crabs, some scrimpses. What I need, crab, shrimp, red skin potatoes. Crab, shrimp, red skin potatoes, corn, and probably some seasoning because I know we don't have Worcestershire. I can never say that. Worcestershire sauce. But yeah, I'll be back, guys. Thanks for rolling with a player. Anybody from the DMV remember that? Thanks for rolling with a player. Okay, you guys, so I'm not even gonna front. I fell asleep today. I'm slacking today. I was tired. The weekend was hectic. Yesterday, I was on call for my office job. And what happened? Oh, it snowed. So it was hella people calling off. I had to take people to work. So I'm tired. Like, I feel like I was up till late last night. But I just came back to say, Alexa, play Feliz Navidad.
Feliz Navidad by Jose Feliciano on Amazon.
Alexa, cancel. I forgot. Y'all be tripping. Y'all might delete my video. Today's word of the day today is, though, Feliz Navidad. And I hope that whoever wins Friday and thoroughly enjoys their week 2 of VlogMas giveaway from us. I also, if you didn't see on my Instagram, which you should have because you should be following me and paying attention because I just might pop up and do some more in the middle of the day surprise giveaways. Gonna give 2 other people giveaways because they just looked out OD for the first 10 days of Vlogmas. And I mentioned them both on my Instagram stories. That means you should know for sure. Follow me on and subscribe to my YouTube. Duh. I hope you guys have a great night. I hope that you're enjoying this. We're 10 days in, 15 to go. What up? Merry Christmas. Have a good night, y'all.